Problem A10. Farmer Alice has an alpaca, a cat, a dog, a gnu, and a pig. She also has 5 fields in a row. She wants to put one animal in each field, but does not want to put 2 animals in adjacent fields if their names contain the same letter. In how many different ways can she place her animals? Now, to do this problem, we just have to draw a field, right? Visualization. So I'm going to draw, well, not one field, but 05. Not a very good drawing, but it's fine. So first we notice that alpaca, in this case, here, alpaca, has the letters A, P, and C, which are all contained in cat and pig, and I think that's it, yeah. So alpaca, we noticed, cannot be next to a cat or a pig. That is an important piece of information to note. We can also observe, and this is the most important bit really, that the dog, the gnu, and the pig all have the letters G. So they cannot be next to each other, so they're gonna go here, here, and here, but not in that specific order. Many ways. Now we know that we can do this. Observe, alpaca and pig, as I've said earlier, have a P in common. So the pig has to be, well, the pig has to be away from the alpaca. But then there's the cat, so the alpaca cannot be next to the cat or the pig, right? So we can just do a bit of arrangement. So that's the cat, that's the pig, and that's the alpaca. Sorry, that's not the alpaca. This is the alpaca. And then we have the decision to make. How about dog and gnu? Well, they do not share any common letters, so they can be placed in any order, right? They can be placed in any order around here. So that's 2 ways of doing it. However, you have to account for, what if we flip the entire, sorry about that. What if we flip the entire grid? If we flip it, what we're gonna get is this. Sorry, I have a bit of technical issue here. When we flip the grid, as seen up here, you're gonna have P, C, and then A here. And then you can swap these 2 again, so that's 2 and another 2. So therefore, we do that and we get 4. So that is our final answer, 4 ways of arrangement.